You don't need a line of code to use Tabidoo, not even in the case of calculated fields. But as we will show, if you really want it, you can. Let's take a look at some simple examples of calculated fields together in Tabidoo. First example, let's automatically calculate the selling price as the purchase price plus 10%. Let's go to the table field's definition. Add the selling price field. Select Type Calculated Field. Fill in the formulas. We can use the menu on the right or directly write any valid JavaScript command. In Advanced, we will set the number format. And save the table definition. The result is the calculated value in the table. How about an auto-completed identifier? Easy in Tabidoo. Let's go to the table fields again. First, let's create an internal field. Into it, the system will create a number series. We create a new series for each year. So for every year, the numbering starts again. Like this. But we want a nicer identifier. So let's go to the table fields again. First, we'll hide the internal field. It won't be visible in the table or on the form, but we'll use it when we create the nice identifier. We will name the field. Our identifier should be an ID, then an automatic number, 0 justified and padded with the year from date of entry. ID is just a string. We use pad_start function to make the internal number nicer. And we take the year from the entry date. After save, we can see our nice identifier calculated. If you want to learn more about scripting in Tabidoo, feel free to visit our help section. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.